Well, you're probably wondering why I'm in a dark bathroom of all places. That's because I've done something today in my own house that I've been wanting to do for 10 years. I put in a Broan 688 50 CFM bath fan. It's just temporary for right now. It's not screwed into a joist because this is a manufactured home. It's not vented to the outside currently. It's just essentially hanging there. And I'm not going to pull the grill down because if I pull the grill down, the darn whole fan wants to fall down. So yeah, we're going to go ahead and turn it on. It's wired in series. I had no choice but to wire it like this because of how this house is built. There's no air leaks, none of that good stuff. See here how it's kind of wanting to fall out of the seal. I'm going to see the C-frame motor and all that. Kind of pull it down and show you. Brand Broan 50 CFM 688-K. And their whole fan wants to move. I'll fix that later. But yeah, I got a bath fan. I'm very proud of it. You see the Broan logo there. Just blowing into the ceiling in that area. There's like 10 inches of insulation up in there. The whole bathroom is a wreck. But yeah, I got a bath fan. So yeah. And I broke a light bulb. But anyways, figured I'd do this quick video. This is now the second bath fan in the house. Anyways, thank you all for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Over and out.